Hello everyone, myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal Hotel Management Department. Once again, I am here with the topic of food standards. Basically, in India, here is some rule and regulations will be made by Indian government and they can follow by the hospitality industry and whether agriculture industry, and we can discuss about something this. So food standards, the Indian government also set some standards. Food standards are something that are set by up expert or an authority for measuring quantity, weight, extent, value and quality of substance and food law implemented for two regions. Basically there have two regions which the law or the some regulations are implemented on the in India. Basically first one is regulations of specification of food. Basically on every food, whether it is raw material or we are going to purchase a raw material, that rule regulations will be implemented on that product. And second one, regulations of hygiene conditions of processing and manufacturing. Basically this law is also implemented on the productions or a company, those who can make the product or those who can make the food, they can follow the hygienic regulations or hygienic standards. Basically objective of food law and regulations, there have some set objectives. First one is the main objective of formulating the food law in India was to ensure a proper hygiene and gain a proper market access. Basically the purpose of this objective, if anyone is open any restaurant, so they can follow a proper hygienic procedure. And the second one, to meet the country's sanitary and photosanitary requirement, and food must comply with the local law and regulation to gain the market access. And these law ensure the safety and suitability of food for consumer. The consumer will also follow these rule. And FSSAI, Food Safety Standard Authority of India, was formulated for the purpose of laying down the science-based standards for articles of food and to regulate their manufacture, storage and distributions, sales and import. And it is also framed to ensure the availability of safe and wholesome food and human consumptions. So these are some objectives which are followed by every industry, or whether it is hospitality industry and national organizations governing food industry in India. Basically AGMARK. AGMARK is related to the agriculture marking. The word AGMARK is derived from agriculture marketing, and the AGMARK standard was set by the Directorate of Marketing and Inspection DMI under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare of Government of India, and for the regulation product in 1937. So these are some rule regulations which are made by the AGMARK. And AGMARK headquarter is now at Faridabad and the branch's headquarter is at Nagpur, and it covers the quality guideline for more than 200 different commodities and ranging from the pulses to cereals, and for essential oil and semi-processed food like vermicle. Basically vermicle is a semi-processed food, and agriculture commodities are categorized into the various grades such as goods, fair, ordinary, etc., and depending upon the degree of quality in each case. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIIT Academy.